Hi guys, welcome back to another Friday night ride. I'm out with Tom. He's borrowing Nexus Vibes Black tonight because the MT is still at the workshop getting some things done to it. We're gonna head to the city now. We wanted to come to a car meet, but it doesn't look like anyone's actually here. So yeah, to be fair though, we are really early, but you know, at least usually there's like some people, but yeah, I guess not. Anyway, we're gonna head out. We'll head to the city, and there's a huge event going on in the city at the moment right now, so yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. Anyway guys, let's do it.
Left here.
You going on the motorway?
Yeah.
Yes sir.
Yeah, baby.
Is it right here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna split.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a pretty tight one. Oh, I don't even know if I can fit. Ooh.
yeah, go to the left.
I'm gonna just pull my mirrors in. There we go. Just super sport things.
Yeah, must be nice. Yeah, I bought Jillian's bro.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing pulls, bro.
Dude, it was great.
Yeah. Oh, my God, past the speed. I can't even hear you, dude. Yeah, look at this A-Class.
Yeah.
It's a cool wrap.
I was gonna say that real.
Here we go.
It's not crazy bad, but it's still traffic.
It's picking up.
Yeah.
Do you want to split through any of this?
Yeah, we can.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going on the out? Alright.
Yeah.
Going in.
Yeah, it should be clear.
We made it. Let's go. Oh no! No! It
Did he
kicked back.
get neutral?
Yeah, it kicked back into neutral. I hit it into second and then it just dropped. Turn left up here?
Yeah.
Let's go. We're nearly there.
Alright, yeah. So we can park a bit of park.
You want to try park on the curb?
Yeah, go like down here.
Hi guys, we made it to the spot now. We're just parking up and that's the city over there, but there's going to be a huge display in about another half an hour or so. We got here a lot earlier than we intended, so I'll pick this back up when the event starts.